Hello and welcome to another crochet tutorial. So today we are going to be working together this beautiful lace pattern, and it's almost unbelievable that this is just one row repeat. So it's amazing opportunity for all the crochet beginners who would like to learn some crochet lace to start with this pattern. It will be amazing for scarves, shawls, even for summer tops. So first we will start with a slip knot, and this stitch pattern is worked over 10 plus 4 stitches. So we will start with a slip knot, place the hook in there, and we will start chaining. So to work a chain, you will yarn over the hook and pull through the loop on the hook. That's a chain 1, 2, 3, and so on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to do another repeat, so I will do another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I also need to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, the stitch pattern is worked over multiple of 10 plus 4. The 10 means that you will need to repeat it for the length or for the width of your project, and 4 is the number that you add right at the end. For row 1, we will start the row working a double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. So what we need to do, we need to count our chains. So you would count 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you will start working into this chain here. So first we will start with the double crochet. So we'll yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So the starting chain 3, this will become chain 3. It counts as a double crochet stitch, and then we've got another double crochet. We will then chain 1 and skip 4 chains and start working into the 5th chain. So you will skip 1, 2, 3, and 4 and start working into the next chain, and we will work a shell. So on the small swatch we will create this shell here, and that consists of 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet stitches into the same space. So we'll start with 3 double crochet. So we yarn over, insert the hook into the space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you will work 2 more double crochet stitches. 1 and 2. We will then chain 2, 1 and 2, and work 3 more double crochet stitches into the very same space. It's my second and the last, and you will chain 1 between the shells and the V stitches. We will always chain 1 in the space. Then again we will skip 4 chains and work into the 5th one. So we're going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4 and work into the 5th one, and we will work a V stitch which will consist of double crochet, chain 2, double crochet into the same space. So we yarn over, insert the hook into the next space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 2, then work another double crochet stitch like so, and chain 1, skip 4 more chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, work a shell into the next. So you will yarn over, insert the hook into the chain space, yarn over, pull up a loop, and over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 for the first double crochet stitch. Work 2 more double crochet stitches into the same space, chain 2, and 3 double crochet stitches into the same space. 1, 2, and 3, and chain 1. So we are now at the end. So when you get in your repeat towards the end, you will still have 5 chains left. You skip 4 of those, and into the very last chain you will work 2 double crochet stitches into the same space. So if you worked your multiples of chain correctly and you work your stitches into the correct chain, you should have 5 chains left, 4 of which you skip, and then work 2 double crochet stitches in the last one. Okay, so this is how your mini swatch or your project will look after the first working the first row. And here the stitch pattern starts from the first chain 1 after the shell, working the V-stitch, chain 1, and the shell. For row number 2, we will then turn our work. When you're turning your work, you turn it away from you, and then chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet stitch, and then we will work another double crochet stitch into the same space. So yarn over, insert the hook into the space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so this is the row. Row number 2 is the row that we will be then repeating for the rest of the project, for however long or wide you want your project to be. You just keep on repeating this row. So we have the first 2 double crochet stitches. We will then chain 1, and we will work shell into the chain 2 of the shell below, chain 1, and work V-stitch into the V-stitch of the row below, chain 1, and repeat for the rest of the row until the end. So we are going to work shell into this chain space, yarn over, work 3 double crochet stitches, chain 2, and 3 double crochet stitches into this space, chain 2, 3 more double crochet stitches, 1, 2, and 3. You will then chain 1 and work V-stitch into the V-stitch in the row below, chain 2, second double crochet for the V-stitch, and chain 1. I've got only 1 shell left in the row, so I will work 1 more shell here. If you've got longer multiple of 10 plus 4 than I've done, you will keep on repeating the shells and V-stitches into the corresponding stitch in the row below, separating them by chain. And then once you get to the end of the row in your stitch pattern, you will still chain 1, and you will work 2 double crochet stitches into the top of chain 3, the turning chain 3. So you will locate the chain, and then you will count the chains, 1, 2, and 3. So I need to work a double crochet stitch into that turning chain. So this can be oftentimes a bit tricky if you chain quite tightly like I do. So just patience with the end of the row is what we need. So that's the first one, and then we work another double crochet into the same space like so. You turn your work and you will keep on repeating the same stitch pattern as we just completed. So you will do chain 3 and a double crochet into the same space, chain 1, shell, chain 1, V-stitch, and so on for the rest of the row, and then you will work 2 double crochet stitches into the top of turning chain 3. And that's it. Many thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite yarn for lace and what would you make with this stitch pattern, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.